Welcome back to pick up where you left off, Harvie Passage. Let's take a look at this beautiful place. Couldn't believe the beauty out here, so had to take a closer look at these beautiful things. As a matter of fact, let's take a closer look together. Sure did a lot of walking that day, but it didn't bother me with all this beauty around me. You know what I mean?
Whoa, there's something cool up ahead.
There.
I'll show you. Let's go. Harvie's Passage. That's what it's called. Forgot the name.
Okay, now we arrived at the place I wanted to show you guys. Right up there.
This seems to be called the Harvie Passage Lookout. Well, I'll tell you what it reminds me of. You remember Assassin's Creed? Those games like those special places you got in the pyramids or the caves, with all these pretty unbelievable structures. Well, this is exactly what it makes me think of. So you can understand the kind of magic it, made me feel at that moment. I'm so glad I could share this with y'all.
There's that little pad up there. Gotta watch out not lose my glasses. It is so beautiful out here. Check all that out.